Now everything is good, guys.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi, all good.
Okay.
Yes, Ravi.
So here we will take what is that 9898 plus what is the our rest controller method now, guys? Rest controller method now, guys.
Create.
Create, right? So create.
Create.
Create. So now make the request. See, from the save we are getting the result or not, guys? Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi, we are
Ravi.
getting.
We are getting, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Getting
yes.
from save.
Okay,
From
guys.
save.
So okay, so if we change, right, if we make the request as a get, so what our method will allow to execute or something we will get? Come on, guys.
No, we will get error. We will get error.
Method not
Yes,
allowed
Error.
error.
method not
Yes, error.
allowed. We will get the
Not
method
allowed.
not allowed.
Method.
Four not five. What is that? Four not
Four
five,
not
guys.
5. 4
Yeah,
not 5.
four not five. See this? Observe here. This area, guys, 405. If what method mismatch, right, if URL is correct and method mismatch, then what kind of error we will get now? Which kind of status we will get now, guys? Come on. 405 means
Method
Method
not
not
allowed
allowed.
error.
means
Method not
nothing.
allowed.
Method not allowed.
Yeah,
Okay.
method not allowed means what is that? Hey, end user, hey, consumer, your URL is correct, but on which method you are making the request, that method is not giving the permission for this HTTP methodology to execute it. Means what? You are directly based on this, what is that status code? We can see that, we can tell what is that this method is what post, and you are making the request as a get type now, guys. Okay, so because of that we are getting what, which kind of status code we are getting now, guys? Come on.
Method
Method
not
not
allowed
allowed.
is
Method
Method
not
not
allowed.
allowed.
Yes, method not allowed now, guys. Okay, so okay, good. So let's develop one more method, right? Inside this one only. So for that, in the inside that, what I'm going to do now. So just assume it. So like if we want to select what is that multiple record, right? Multiple record from the database, but still our application is not going to interact with what database, right? So for that, just normally what I'm going to do now, just normally same copy, same only. I'm copying this one and I'm pasting here only, right? So just I'm taking the method name is what, fetch. Yeah, find, right? Find, right? And method type, what is that? Fetch data, right? Fetch. Fetch data, right? Fetch data from the just written here from fetch, right? From fetch. From fetch. Okay. So another one more method I'm taking, guys. Okay, one more method. Every methodology based on that, every methodology. But here, what is that? Fetch type will be post get type, guys. Okay, fetch type will be get now.
get a type.
Yes.
Get a type.
Spelling GET. GR. Get it.
This we can do it from browser also.
Yeah, we can make this request from the browser also, right? So after that, what on one more method I'm taking, right? One more method I'm taking now. This method is what? This method I'm taking put type.
Put type.
This method I'm taking what? Put type now. So here I'm taking what? Modify.
P not changed, sir. Starting letters. P G U
Yeah,
T.
okay. No issue. Modify, right? So here I'm taking what? Put type. So we know that for the put, what purpose we are taking now, guys? Updation purpose, right?
Yes.
Update the data, right? If we want
Yes,
to
sir.
update the data for that purpose, what we are taking now? Put type. From update now. Okay, so one more. Let's take one more method. Let's take this one as a patch type.
delete, delete type,
So like if we want to update what email, right? Email, only one data. If we want to update it for that purpose, we are taking the patch, right? Email, right? So, okay. So here what? Let's take patch type. One more, last one. Let's take one more, last, delete type. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to run this application based on that same URL, right? Only one URL will be there. But what we will do now, if we change the methodology based on that changing the methodology, what will happen? Our method will execute now, guys. Whenever we will make the request, right? So here, what is that? See this, the create is there, right? So create is there based on that what methodology? Come here on the controller. Create method, right? So which kind of post, right? Post type method is there. So if we want to make this one, right? If we want to make the what? Post type request, right? So we have need to take what is that? Create, right? Create, and what we will do now? We will select the that kind of methodology now. Then our data will execute, right? Then our method will execute it now. So we are getting the what is that response from what? From save method, right? Come on, everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, this method result we are getting on the browser, right?
Yes.
So okay,
yes,
so I said that, right? So if but this data is which kind of data now, guys? String, right?
string type
Yes.
only,
String, right? Come on.
Yes.
yes,
So if you want to, I said that, right? If string data will come, then which kind of text data, right? I said that, na? Come on. Content type is what? Text
Yes.
plain.
Text to
Text
data.
plain data we are
Text.
getting or not, guys? Come on.
Yes,
yes,
yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
See this, if string data is there, that data will be which kind of data now, guys? On the browser. Come on. Don't worry, when I will explain what is that object type, I will show that JSON and XML data will come. But what is that? If we are sending the what string data, that data is coming to browser, which kind of text now? Come on.
yes, text type
Yes.
data,
See this, guys, see this. Just what is that? This result area, right? This is the body section, right? In the body section, what we are getting from the save, right? From the save here in the REST controller, right? REST controller, which kind of data we are sending now? String, right?
String data, yes.
Yes. So string, if we are sending the string data from the controller, then string data will come to our what? Header section, in which kind of a text? Content type text, plain text only, right? Come on.
Text. Yes.
And what is the length of that string now, guys? 10. It's saying that 10. It is correct.
Yeah.
1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is correct, guys. 10 length also is going. How many?
Yes.
See this?
Space.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One space.
Yeah, it two space.
1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5,
5,
6, 7, 8,
7, 8 point.
9, and one space 10. Come on.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
And
8 letters, 2
10
space.
content length also. It's a metadata. I don't know if people are remember or not. When I was explaining, right, this request response body, at the time I said that metadata will come, and what is that length, and in the header section length also will come. See this in the what is the which section is there now, guys? This one is what response which section? Come on.
Header.
Header
section,
section.
na?
Header
Header.
section.
In the header section, I said
Yes,
that
sir.
what is that date and time also will come. Date and the time is coming or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Same.
So I
Yes,
don't know. I don't know. But last time I explained these things, guys. Okay, 1 minute. Where the explanation now? That explanation. Date and the time, everything I explained, guys. I don't know. The people are remember those statements. Method URL header parameter metadata. When I was explaining the metadata at the time, I was
Yeah, you
yes.
explain
See
the
this, guys.
metadata information.
Explain
Yes.
date and
See
year
this
only
here,
date.
here what metadata, data length, date and the time, cookies and the content type. I explained or not, guys? Come on, everyone.
Yes.
Yes,
Explain.
Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
So those things I'm showing the as a practically or not, guys? Come on, everyone. See this.
Yes. Sure.
Yes, Ravi.
Content type. See this, whatever things I explained in the last time. See, data length is there or not, guys? Come on. This one is what? Data length only, na?
Yeah, content. Yeah, 10.
10.
Content
Yes,
length.
After then what I explained now, date and the time. See this,
date and time.
date and the time is there or not, guys? Come on. Date and the time is there or not? Come on.
Yeah, it's there.
Yes, Ravi.
After then what I explained, cookies and content type. Cookies leave it till now. Okay, later we will see it. But content type I said, right? Content type also will come. So come here in the what is that content type
Text
is there or
slash
not,
plain
guys?
text.
Content type plain
Text.
text is there or not, guys?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
So whatever theory I explained on that day, I said that, guys, okay, everything will become practically. The things is becoming practically or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes.
Practical.
Just focus on this area, guys. Okay. So like this, if you learn the what RESTful services, why not the things will come to you. Okay. So okay, so let's move on. Okay, let's move on. So which kind of method, which kind of request we made now, guys? So we made, right, we made by which kind of post, right? So for that post, which whenever we are making that in the body section, what kind of things is coming now, guys? Data is coming now. Come on. This is the response
sir.
body, guys.
Yes.
Okay. This
Yes.
this section is what? This section is a request HTTP request,
Request tag.
and this section is
Body.
a request body section, guys. Okay.
Response body.
Yeah, response
Response
body. This section
Response
is what?
body.
Request body.
Request.
And this section is what? In the postman response body, guys. Response body, right? So I already explained it, right? What I explained now. So HTTP request, right? HTTP request having what? Two part. How many part now? Header part and what?
Header and data part.
Data
Body part.
Body part. But
Body part.
now,
Body
now
part.
don't,
Body.
but in this time don't focus on HTTP request area, guys. Okay, in this time just focus on this area. just focus on this area. Forget about this area. Later I will explain it. Okay. Later I will explain it virtually. I will show each and everything to you people. Okay. Everything I will explain show you. Okay. So currently don't bother about this
Okay.
one. Just focus on this area. My intention is to explaining this area currently, right? So what I said that response body, right? This one is what? Response body, sorry, HTTP response is there, right? HTTP response, how many parts are there now, guys? Come on. 2 parts, na?
Two parts.
Two parts.
Yes.
So in the header
Yes.
Two
section,
parts.
in the
Head
header
and
section,
body.
head
part.
and the body part is there. In the body section, what is there now, guys? Data is there, right? Come on.
Data.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And
Status
what is
code.
that? And what is that? Status code will be there, na?
Yes.
So status code, what kind of status code I given? This status code I explained, right?
Yes. Five status
Yes.
codes.
1 to 5
Okay.
X.
So now come to our browser now, guys. So I said that whenever we are making the request, whenever I'm clicking the send button, what is that? This, see this HTTP body, right? I said that how many parts are there? 2 parts, na? Head section and what is that?
Yes.
Body section. Come on.
Body section.
Body.
In the body section, what is that? This data is coming, guys. Okay. And what is that? See this is the status code. What is that? 200. Okay. This status code is coming from what? Header section. Come on, everyone.
Yes, Ravi.
Body.
Body.
Yeah, sorry.
Body section.
Yeah, body
Body
section. What is that?
From
How-
body, yes.
Yes, sorry, it's my mistake.
Data plus
How
status
many
code.
status code we are getting or not, guys? Come on.
Yeah, 200 is
200.
status code.
So
What
here
to-
already what okay means what now, guys? Okay means what? 200 only, right? Come on. See this okay means
Yes,
what?
sir.
Okay means
Okay.
okay means
200.
what? Okay means
200
what our
success.
Eclipse ID is showing now. See this 200, right?
200.
So now our theory is becoming practical or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi, of course.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so good. So let's move on. Okay, so after then, what is that? In the header section, what is that? Metadata is coming or not, guys? Metadata. In the metadata, what is that? Length, whatever length of our, what is the data, and what kind of collection data is coming? JSON or XML data is coming, or what? Plain data is coming, means what?
Text data.
Length data, text.
Text data is nothing but we are saying the MIME type plain or not, guys? Come on.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Mime type.
So after then what? Date and time is coming, and how much time out section alive, all those things is
Right.
coming. Okay. So now the things is clear, guys. Come on.
This is clear, Ravi.
Clear.
Yeah, it's clear now.
Okay. So guys, what I'm going to do now? Let's make let's make one request object types. Okay. Are you ready to see this?
Yes.
Yes.
Ready.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes,
here
sir.
in this application only, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to increase one more method, and we will make that method, what is that? Request type. Okay, request type. Let's take a fetch type is there, right? Fetch type. Okay, in the fetch type only, 1 minute. It's still not practical is completed, guys. Okay, still our practical is pending now. Sorry for that. Okay, so here what is that? Only one type of request we made, right? So, okay, so if I want to make the request, what is that? If I want to make the request to find, right? Find. So for that, what is that? Which kind of methodology we are using now, guys? Get type, na? Come on.
Get mapping.
So
Yeah.
we will take
Get
the URL, and here what we will change now? Get, right? And we will make the request. And what is that? From the from where we are getting the result now, guys? Come on.
body section.
Fetching.
In body
Fetch.
section.
Which result we are getting, right? Come on.
Yes.
No. If we want to modify it, right? If we want to modify, right, means what? Update the data. So for that, we will use the URI of what? Modify here. Just change it. just change this one. And what we will do now, but modify for the which kind of methodology will be there now, guys? Come on, put.
Put to.
So what we will do now, we will make that, means what, from the update we are getting the result or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good. So, okay, fine now, guys. So here what I'm going to do now, here patch is there, right? Here patch is there. Okay, so for that patch is what? Patch methodology is taking now. So what I'm going to do now, just change it here, okay? Just change it here. What we will do now, take the patch type. Patch type. Now make the request. And here, what is that? We are getting the result from the patch or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so one more thing. So, okay, last one, delete is there, right? Delete is there. Okay, so for that, what? Remove.
Yes.
Take the remove now. Come here.
Remove.
Yeah, just paste it and send the data. So here we are getting the result from the delete methods or not, guys? Come on, everyone.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. We are getting.
Yes, yes. So, okay, good. So, okay, so now based on that, what is that? Whatever methodology we are using in the real time, just to be seen that execution, guys, okay, how we make the still picture is baki hai, okay, means what? Big cinema is left now, guys, okay, just what is that? We are what? Learn, just we are learner, right? So just we are growing up. When we will grow, now we are started to growing up. We will build the one what project now, okay? So just if see if we don't know, just only my thing is, guys, if we don't know ABCD, right, so how we can write the apple directly? We can't write now. So if we want to read if we want to become expert, so first we have need to focus on what, which area? Fundamental area. If fundamental is good, guys, okay, if fundamental is good, nothing is there in the water, in the biggest thing, okay. So still whenever you know I'm learning anything, before I'm focusing on that what those things, what fundamental, what is the core fundamental of that subject, what is the core fundamental, we have need to gather the knowledge, and which area we have need to work on that, okay. Suddenly, you know, and the next things, after learning the fundamental, just sit with expert, whoever expert with that subject, that's it, automatically the things will come to you, okay. These things only I'm implementing in my life, guys, okay. It's not meaning that everything I learn from myself only, no. Okay, because if I learn myself only, my life will over, I will not completely learn the things, okay. So everyone in the see in the session only, you know, the you people also, something I'm learning from you people also, right? Whenever I'm talking to you people, I'm observing in which person what the good things is there, right? Those things I'm capturing too much quickly, okay. So okay, so let's okay, so much talented people are there in our group also, guys, okay. So I'm learning from those people, it's not meaning that, okay. So learn from everyone and implement in your life, okay. That is the good thing. And by learning, don't feel like oh, he's why I will learn from him. Oh, everyone having the uniqueness, guys, okay. Everyone having the uniqueness, how we are seeing that, that is the also we have need to think it, okay. Okay, so good. So
Yeah, that's true.
okay, so now, guys, okay, so whatever things till now I explained, anyone having any doubt, guys, okay, don't feel hesitate, okay, just ask it, okay. I will clarify now, then we will go ahead. Anyone having any doubt?
No, no, it's clear. It's clear.
I know that, guys, between this one, right, this explanation and the today explanation, like what gap is there, but you know, the thing is, whatever things I explained, right, every concept here I shown that what is that, like practically, and whatever theory I explained, guys, except those theory, I will not touch any extra word also. Okay, because you know, in the initial theory only, whatever my total classes or sessions are there, right? I'm concluding in the first 2 hour only, right? So based on that first and second hour, right? Total theory, total concept will be there. So just focus on this first area. If no, until unless if you are not like becoming expert, just what focus on all sessions video, guys. Okay. After then, once if you do complete the practical, right, all sessions. So what you have to do now, just every modules open first videos. In the first video I'm giving the all conclusion, then what clear images will be there in your mind, then oh okay, because of this one, because of that, because of this, like that you people also will implement it, right? So just implement it like that, only learn. Okay, so because I know that if you watch total video, that like this much time everyone don't have, right? Everyone don't have, because the the everyone having the different situations, guys. Okay, I can understand, even the responsibility also, and even I'm thinking that if with me the all responsible people only is there in the session, right? So here no one like students, no, everyone experienced person, so the people are responsible by default only, right here. So it's good, it's my pleasure, right? It's my pleasure. I'm getting the chance, okay, to expending the time with you people. Okay, it's my really pleasure. Okay, I'm God grace. So thanks for everyone, and let's move on. Okay.
It's our pleasure, Ravi. Thank you so much.
Thanks
It's
to-
our
Thank you,
pleasure,
sir.
first of
Thank
all.
you,
Thank you
Ravi.
very much. We are also
We are really
learning from
grateful to you.
great.
Okay, so good. So okay, guys. So what I'm going to do now? Next, what? Let's work on what? Non-string area, right? Non-string. Just we work on what is that string area, na? Come on, everyone. So now let's work
Yes.
on what, in which area now? Let's work on what, string, non-string area, right? Non-string area. So in this time, what we will do now, we will send the object data, just right, object data. So for that we have need one object, na? Come on, everyone. So just I'm going to take what
Yes,
is that.
required.
So just I'm going to take, let's increase only one dependency, Lombok dependency in this project only, guys. Okay, in this project only we will implement that application, right? So our requirement is what, we will expose, what is that, we will expose, just we expose what, string data, right? String is nothing but plain text data, right? Let's expose what, object type, then what, collection type, right? Then what, collection type, and then we will understand what is the Jackson API, guys. Okay, Jackson API. Based on that Jackson API, how we can convert what is that, our Java object to JSON object, and JSON object to Java object, right? So this conversation, first I will use that API explicitly, but here what is that, our Spring Boot will use internally, right? But what I will do now, we will convert our Java object using that API, Jackson API. Okay, so first we will conversation, we will see that explicitly, but internally if I implement those things in our what, RESTful, then you people will catch up easily. Oh, because of that internal these things is happening now. Okay, like that. Okay, so even if you sit in interview also, right, interview will viewer will ask based on which API our REST controller is converting our Java object into JSON data. Then you people will say easily, right, based on this API, based on this API, right? So that is the next level discussion now, guys. Let's deep dive in what, current session. Let's send the object data from the our REST controller. From here on here to, we will send on the browser what is that right, what, object data, right? Okay, so okay, so good. So here just I explained already, right? So what is that? See this now, in this time what I'm going to use it now, guys. Class type. Class type is nothing but what, object type, guys. Okay, class type is nothing but what, object type, right? Object type. Class type is nothing but what, object type data. I'm going to use it now, guys. Okay, in our application. Okay, so good. So let's move on. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now. So here just I'm taking what, one employee class only, guys. Okay, normal, like in the last time how we are taking the examples now, same like we will take here also one examples only, right? So here I'm taking what, one employee class employee I'm taking, right? Class employee, this employee having what, this employee I'm taking what, the data, which kind of data we will take it now, guys? Just the data will be there. Employee ID will be there, EMP ID will be there now, EMP ID will be there. Another one is what? Data, EMP name and EMP cell, right? EMP cell. These data will be there, guys. Okay, only these three data will be there. Okay, so let's create this employee class object in our what? REST application now. So right click new and take one class now. Here I'm taking what? com.rk dot what? Model, right? Model. Okay, so here I'm taking what? Employee. Now take the finish now. Now take the fin. Okay, so here our what? Okay, so here what? Our employee class is there, right, guys? Inside that, what is that? Take private, yeah, is private integer, EMP ID, private string, EMP name I'm taking. Another one is what? Private double EMP cell, right? EMP cell. This data I'm taking now, guys. Okay, so but what I'm going to do now? I want to generate setter getter method. So I'm going to use it what, guys? Lombok API. Come on, everyone.
Lombok.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, but here at the time of creating the project, I did not took the dependency of Lombok. So how we can after building the project, how we can add it now? The Lombok API, guys. Right click.
Right.
Right click on the project, add the starters.
Edit the starter.
Add the
Edit
starters.
the starter.
Okay, so now select the Lombok API. Now, okay. Okay, good. So our what? Now here, what I'm going to do now, if we want to generate setter getter method, right? So for that, what annotation we will take it now, guys?
It's data.
Data.
At the rate data, Lombok API, right? So I want to generate argument constructor and a no argument constructor. So for that argument constructor, so for that, what annotation? At the rate all arg
At the rate of all arg constructor.
At the rate, another one is what? At the rate no
Arg constructor.
No arg constructor, right? No arg constructor. Now our what? Entity class is ready now. Means what? Our employee class is ready now, guys. Okay, so good. So now come to our REST controller, right? Already which one we wrote it now. So what I'm going to do now, guys? I'm going to write one method. Shall I use in this method only? Come on, everyone. Anyone method? Can you tell
Yes,
anyone?
use
Existing method.
existing.
Okay, no issue. Okay, so let's do one thing. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, just I'm going to take what is that one method, right? So here I'm taking what? Public what? Response body, right? Public response body, right?
Entity.
Okay, response entity, right? Response entity. Okay, so in this time, what I'm going to do now, guys? What I'm going to do now? So here, what I said that, right? I said that. Okay, so here, what is that? If we want to return the string data, so what is that? That is the text, right? But here, what I'm going to do? What I'm going to return it now, guys? Come on. Class type now. Object type, right? Object type.
Object.
So okay, if we want to return the object, then what is that entity return type we will take? Sorry, generate type we will use it now, guys. Come on, employee now. Class type. Come on, everyone.
Employee. Class type.
Generic type. So here, what I'm going to do now? Fetch. fetch object, right? Fetch object, just I'm taking the method now, guys. Okay, fetch object, right? So good. So here what I'm going to do now, so here just I'm returning what, return null for the list of time. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now, just take the get only, right guys? Get type, get mapping. Inside that what I'm going to do now, so just I'm taking the so method, right? Okay,
So at the rate, at the
oh yes, yes. Okay, good. So now our method is ready now, guys. Okay, so good. So now fine, guys, based on this explanation, I'm going to give good conclusion, guys. Okay, based on this small application, big concept is there. Because of that, I'm making this one is too much easy, guys. You focus on, right? Focus on this area. Focus on this area. Okay, so
Okay, Ravi.
okay,
Sure.
so this is the look like normal, guys, but it's not look like normal. Based on the big interview question also there. Okay, because of that I'm explaining this one, guys. Okay, so now fine, guys. So okay, so here what I'm going to do now, again I'm returning what, response entity, right? Response entity. Here what we will take it now, response entity generic type employee. Now come on everyone, employee, right?
Yes, class type of
Yes, sir.
Request. Now here what I'm taking now, response entity, right?
entity.
Response entity, here it's having two part, right? How many part? HTTP. Let's take what is that HTTP status first. I'm taking status dot okay, right? Status dot okay. I'm taking now status dot okay. So here I have need to return what is that, this response, right? But here we have need to send the data, right? So here we can send the data. This is the body section, right? Come on everyone, I explained
Body
now.
section text.
So
Yes.
this what is that, this
Yes, sir.
response entity having how many part? Two part, guys. I hope that remember it, right? How many part? Body
yes.
section and what is the status code? It will have status code and what is that, body section, right? So one section is what, status code and body. In the data we can store it or not, guys? Come on. Just in the last time here only we taken the just string data. Any data we are taking like this, nah, that data is string only, right? So here we can send the collection data or object data also, not only string data, guys. Okay, object data also. So here what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create one anonymous right object. Anonymous, what is that? Anonymous employee object, guys. Okay, because only one time usage I'm taking, right? So here what, this data we will send it. Okay, so here just I'm taking what, 101 and the name I'm taking what, name I'm taking Sudhir.
Okay.
Sudhir, and here what I'm taking, salary I'm taking what, okay, this is the salary now, guys. Okay, so this data I'm going to send it to what, to whom, our what, browser now. So shall we run the application and can we make the request now, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, yes.
so now right click, run as Spring Boot application. This is the get type. We can make the request from here also. See this, we are getting the JSON data or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yeah, we got it, Ravi.
We are
Yes.
getting the JSON data or not, guys? Come on, everyone, on the browser.
Yes, Ravi.
So,
Yes, yes, we are getting.
so
Yes,
means
Yes,
what?
Ravi.
So what I explained now, guys, see this. I already